Welcome back to Riddle Factory. Guess 50 logos in 5 seconds. Round 1. Can you guess which logo is this? Oh yes, that's Coca-Cola. Round 2. This is simple. Can you guess this logo? Too easy, it's Nike. Round 3. Here's a challenge for you. What logo is this? McDonald's for sure. Round 4. This iconic logo belongs to which brand? Everyone knows it's Apple. Round 5. Take a guess. Whose logo could this be? Fancy a coffee? That's Starbucks. Round 6. Think you know this one? Name the brand. 3 stripes? Adidas, of course. Round 7. A hint of familiarity. What logo is this? Refreshing choice, Pepsi. Round 8. Let's see if you recognize this logo. Amazon? Got it in a click. Round 9. What's your guess? Which brand is it? Simple and colorful, Google. Round 10. Here comes a classic. Can you identify it? Social media? That's Facebook. Round 11. Test your memory. Which logo is this? Chirping bird? Twitter. Round 12. This one's famous. Can you name it? Play button? That's YouTube. Round 13. Look closely. Whose logo is this? Finger licking good, KFC. Round 14. Here's a popular one. Guess the brand. That luxury ride? BMW. Round 15. You've seen this before. What's the name? Shiny Star? Mercedes-Benz. Round 16. Can you spot the brand behind this logo? Oh, that's Toyota, for sure. Round 17. Let's play. What company does this logo represent? Race car vibes, Ferrari. Round 18. Here's a tricky one. Can you identify it? Shell. Fuel your ride. Round 19. Challenge yourself. Whose logo is this? Childhood memories, Lego. Round 20. Time to think. What logo is this? Fierce and sleek? Puma. Round 21. Recognize this design? Guess the brand. That fiery fox? Firefox. Round 22. A logo you've seen before. Can you name it? Netflix. Round 23. You've got this. What's the brand name? Gamer Vibes? PlayStation. Round 24. What's the first name that comes to mind? Easy guess, it's Xbox. Round 25. Here's a famous one, can you guess? Music in your ears, Spotify. Round 26. What's your guess for this logo? Think smart? Intel. Round 27. Test your knowledge. What logo is this? Tech giant? Dell. Round 28. Recognize this logo? Give it a shot. Reliable choice? HP. Round 29. Here's a familiar one. What brand is it? Say cheese. Canon. Round 30. Who does this logo belong to? Samsung, shining bright. Round 31. Put your guessing skills to work. What's this? Sony? Absolutely. Round 32. Seen this logo before? Name the brand. Swipe and pay? MasterCard. Round 33. This one's easy. What's the answer? Visa, you got it. Round 34. A well-known design. Can you identify it? Wings of Energy? Red Bull. Round 35. Guess the company behind this logo. Fresh Subs? Subway. Round 36. Famous and recognizable. What logo is this? Got a ride? Uber. Round 37. You've definitely seen this one. Guess it. Travel Vibes? Airbnb. Round 38. Another challenge. What's the brand name? Dance away. TikTok. Round 39. Think carefully. Whose logo is this? That ghost? Snapchat. Round 40. A familiar design. What's your answer? Pin it. Pinterest. Round 41. Test your recognition skills. What logo is this? Stay connected? Slack. Round 42. Here's another. Can you name the brand? Cloud Life? Dropbox. Round 43. Do you know this logo? Make a guess. Networking Pro? LinkedIn. Round 44. Who owns this iconic logo? Chat Green, WhatsApp. Round 45. Another popular logo. What brand is it? Paper plane? Telegram. Round 46. Spot the design. Whose logo is it? Video calls? Zoom. Round 47. Ready for the next one? Guess the logo. Gamers Unite Discord. Round 48. Think you've got it? Whose logo is this? Fashion Frenzy? H&M. Round 49. You've seen this before, guess the company. Stylish guess, Zara. Round 50. What does this logo represent? Luxury icon? Gucci.
I hope you enjoyed lot. Comment below how many you guessed correct. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos.